I just said I think I had something in my shoe. And Brandon told me that
it was her feet.
Har har har. So we're at the dog park today. Brandon's playing fetch with Daisy. Brody! What you smell? Hey! And we're gonna have a picnic while they go running around. Brody doesn't do much running, he just does a lot of sniffing. Daisy's got to go find her ball now because Brandon threw it too far and she didn't see it. So she's a little distressed. So I made our sandwiches. Mine's a ham sandwich with hot English mustard on it, and Brandon's are just ham sandwiches with cheese. Go.
So Grace's dog is so needy that she wants us to throw the ball at all times while we're here. So Grace is eating her sandwich and using the ball throwing stick thing to throw the ball.
She just is like, this is the only reason we come to the park. And I finished my sandwich, and now I'm going to have celery with peanut butter. And my brother reminded me about this yesterday because we used to take this to school a lot. It's really yummy. We like it. I don't think Brandon has ever heard of anyone doing this before.
No, I have.
You have? You just don't like it because you don't like celery.
Yeah. I remember doing this in like kindergarten.
Well, I'm going to have it and pretend I'm in kindergarten again then.
I think they used to put M&Ms in there too.
Mum's too healthy to do that. She ain't about that candy life. We got sandwich, piece of fruit, and a muesli bar, or granola bar as you guys call them. Like our whole schooling lives. No chocolate muffins, no roll-ups, nothing. Brandon's struggling to throw with the stick. That one was fine.
I feel like yours goes much further. You were sitting back there and it went the same distance.
Wow. I was going to show you that Daisy was being cute and she was just laying down on the concrete down here. But then she decided that that wasn't her thing. She wanted to run again. Brody, did you just have some peanut butter? What do you think of the peanut butter? Was it good? Yes? The peanut butter was good? Okay. Oh, I want more water. Brody can drink like gallons and gallons of water. And then she drinks like a mouthful, just like a little camel.
She just sat down, so I turned around to walk over here because she's tired. She's freaked out, now she wants to play again. Literally laid down for like a second.
She gonna sleep good tonight. That was a girly throw. We're the last one. Oh, damn. They're here.
It's hot.
Windows down, AC blaring. Woo! So we at Lake Mugara Dam, and we're gonna walk over the dam wall. And this is Mount Edward behind us. We're gonna come back another day and do that. It's a hike. It's a really nice view at the top. And this is the dam. There's someone out there skiing. It's a popular place for people to come water skiing. My mum and her brother used to come here all the time and go water skiing. Is he wakeboarding? I think he's wakeboarding.
Yeah, he's wakeboarding. The boat is doesn't look like a ski boat.
Yeah.
The wake is small.
Yeah, the governor's chair, look out. It says, warning, vertical cliff. Fatal injuries may result from walking or climbing around the cliff edge. Brandon doing boy things, throwing stuff. We made it to the top. What you think?
Cool.
We're up very high, we're on the cliff. There's a waterfall over there, a little tiny one.
Look at that snake right there, see it?
It's not a snake, that's a... Are you just trying to get me to jump?
Yeah.
This is Dag's fault. We didn't walk along here last time I came. Something there. This is Queen Mary Falls. They have like a cute little picnic area as well, and they have these little barbecues everywhere. You just light up with some wood fire. Cute!